Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe, I'm going to show you on how to make a carrot cake in a very simple way. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you can learn something. For this recipe, I'm going to use 100 grams of margarine, which is equivalent to a half a cup of margarine. Then I'm going to add in a half a cup of sugar. Make sure you mix that well until fluffy. After that, I'm going to add in some 2 eggs. Then I'm going to mix it well. You can also use a hand mixer if you have, but if you don't have, just use a whisk. After that, I'm going to add in a 1/3 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, but you can also add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder to make it more flavorful. For this recipe, I've used 1 cup of self-rising flour. Good thing about self-rising flour is that you don't have to add in baking powder, but if you use plain flour, you're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You're going to fold in the flour until smooth. Make sure you don't overmix the batter. Then you're going to add in 1 medium grated carrot in the cake batter. Then give it a mix. Make sure you have preheated your oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Then you're going to pat to remove excess air before baking it. So you're going to bake it for 40 to 45 minutes at 180 degrees. After 45 minutes, your cake will be ready and you'll remove it from the oven. Just like mine, you see it's well cooked, it's well baked. And I hope you've enjoyed this recipe, and I'm sure you'll also give it a try. As you can see, our cake turned out so well and it was so fluffy and delicious. Thank you so much for always choosing to watch my videos, and kindly don't forget to like, comment and share with others. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel, and have a blessed day.